Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn web pages into study guides with Lumio AI. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, log into your Lumio AI account. Then here in the prompt box, paste the URL of the web page that you want to study. Then, use a prompt. Type a descriptive and a detailed and specific prompt like this. And after done typing your prompt, the Lumio AI will analyze the page and generate a clean, organized study guide for you. And here you can save it to keep your collections so you can revisit, edit, or share it later. And that's it. With just one click and a simple prompt, Lumio AI can turn complex web pages into easy to review study guides, making learning faster and smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.